Well, we've been traveling for 2.5 hours. We're gonna travel about 1,000 miles in the next day to try out our hot tent. So we're pretty crazy. So coming into St. Louis. We'll catch you later. .3 degrees this morning, and we are really warm inside that tent. Worked out great all night last night. We're about 8,300 feet up in the Rocky Mountains. Well guys, we're up at Moraine Campground up in this Rocky Mountains National Forest. Thought I'd give you guys a view of what this is up here. It's pretty neat. We've already seen some couple mule deer bucks and 4, 5, 6 maybe a mule deer does, and we've already seen several elk, so I'll get some footage of that here in a little bit. Here's a forest fire remains. Great Smoky Mountain National Park.
Picture you and Ethan.
Yeah, we should. Me and Ethan, we was up there yesterday. See the big rock, whatever you call that. The smaller one to the left. That's where he was yesterday. This is me and Ethan. We're out doing a pre-stalk on some elk that we've been seeing coming down into this valley here at the Rocky Mountain National Park. They've been coming through just about sunset, so what we're going to do, we're going to set up and see if we can get some good footage of them coming by. Hopefully we can. They're in the middle of rut, so they've been doing a lot of bugling. They've been up here on this hillside at nighttime while we're sleeping. They've been up here rattling and fighting with other bull elk, so we'll see what happens.